Hello everyone, welcome to Johnny's NetSec YouTube channel. In this video, we are gonna talk about once your ChatGPT blocked from your area, for your company or for your country, and what you can do. So as you know, ChatGPT has been out and became very popular and also very helpful for your daily life once you need it to improve your productivity and make your work more efficient. But lots of countries already starting to think about banning this technology for people to use. Italy did that. China also blocked it. Many companies already have implemented security policy to block you to use OpenAI, this website. So if that happens to you, so I have two suggestions in this video for you to continue to use this advanced technology for your daily life. So now let's start it. If ChatGPT has been blocked for your access, you can have other different ways to still get access, such as change your public IP address to different country, change to use a VPN, and change to use different plugins, or maybe just like what I'm trying to show you using ChatGPT Next Web, this GitHub project to create your own ChatGPT Web UI. The deployment is easy, simple. Eventually, just one click, you will get this nice web UI for free, because we are going to deploy to the Verso, this free app platform. Again, to get this project working, you need to have your own Verso account. You need to have your own OpenAI account for your ChatGPT. We're gonna need it to get your API key. If you have both, great. Now you can go to this GitHub page and just click deploy. So directly go to the Verso page and launch this create Git repository task for you. You don't have to change anything, basically just click create. Now that's something we needed. We need API key and code. So how we gonna get it? We're gonna go back to the GitHub project page. You're gonna get OpenAI API key. Authentication required, of course. Let's log in. So we're gonna create a new secret key. We're gonna call it Web UI. We got the key, let me copy in. There's a code. Basically, code is the password for your this web page. I'm gonna put the test as password, TEST, so we can easily test it. It's easy to remember. So we're gonna deploy it. So you can see deployment process. It will take 1 or 2 minutes, and then we should be able to get the URL. So it's ready. 2 minutes, 3 minutes. We got a congratulation page. Now we can continue to our dashboard. So here is the URL we can use. Just click on it. So then we have our web page up and running. Once you have your ChatGPT Next Web UI up and running, you will need to check your access code or API key. You can change them to the one you have. Also, you want to check the account balance. Once you did those, just save the changes. So for me, since I'm using free version, my account balance will be 0 and I don't have any subscription here, which means I won't be able to run the conversation from this web UI since my account is not upgraded. You will need to pay $20 to upgrade to the paid version, ChatGPT Plus. But if you don't want to pay, then my next alternative solution gonna give you a similar result you want to get from ChatGPT. This is from a strong competitor, Anthropic, the product called Claude. Anthropic is a company did this AI research and developed a product, Claude, that put safety at first. That caught my eye, safety, which is a lot of concern coming from ChatGPT because of not safe enough. So here is what they're saying, they're trying to build a safe AI in the future. Now let's take a look at the product. How can we get it? Right now you need to request the access. So I'm going to quickly request for it. So just submit it. Sooner or later you will get the email to approve your request. Then you can launch your dashboard and starting to have a conversation with Claude. There's another easy way to use it. You just need to sign in to your Slack account or sign up one if you don't have. So I'm gonna just use one of my Gmail accounts, sign in. And after you signed in, then you can create a workspace. Basically, it's just fill in some simple information. Slack workspace name. I will put John NetSec there. Next. I don't need to invite anybody, skip that step. And you just need to give a subject for your project. Let's say it's for test. Then you signed in, you have a channel test. So let's go. So from here we can add a new app, which is Claude app for Snack. Click this browse Snack. There's an apps page here, and you can just search Claude and add it. Then add to Snack. Of course, you need to give some permissions. It's successfully added, so Claude has been installed in your Snack workspace. You can now begin interacting with Claude in channels and direct messages. Let's come back here. Claude. Perfect. So it's easy. Then we can directly enter some questions. Confirm agreement. So basically, I'm Claude, an AI assistant created by Anthropic. Perfect. It is an AI assistant. So we can see, trained by helpful, harmless, and honest. That's what they say, helpful, harmless, and honest. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next episode.
Bye.